So here we are inside the user control panel of AutoBuildIt, and this is where users make the magic happen. This is where they build their websites from. This is where they do all the really cool stuff. And over here you'll see people can sort out the icons by name, or they can sort them out by type, dependent on their preference. Now what we're going to look at here is, let's take squeeze pages and take a look at how easy it is to build squeeze pages. And we click squeeze pages. Now the person has a choice of different types of squeeze pages that they can create. So if we click this, we'll create an uber cool squeeze page. Now what they would do is enter the name of the page. So let's just call this squeeze page. They'd enter an extension here. So I mean, if we were to call this squeeze, it would be yourwebsite.com/squeeze.html. It would automatically create that. Then you can choose one of these templates here. Let's just stick with that. Over here they can enter their meta information, my uber cool squeeze page, and they'd enter their keywords and their description, and let's just add that. Then we edit the content. At the top, put an enticing pre-headline here. Let's put, who else wants to create super quick squeeze pages? Now you can create super easily and without hassle using AutoBuildIt. And then they can enter the text here. Here's information for their opt-in form, and they paste their opt-in code here. They make the page active, click view page URL, and there you go, it's automatically created. There at the top we've got my uber cool squeeze page, the title that we gave the page. Here we've got the subheadline that we created, the headline, but the page is automatically created. And if we look over here, it's rich.co/squeeze.html. That's how it's been created, very quickly, very easily, and it's instantaneously there. Now another very cool thing that they can do is, quite simply, if we click on, so basically what we've done is we've gone back to edit page for that squeeze page that we created, edit the footer HTML. Over here let's direct this to Google, let's say google.com. On close page message, hey, wait, before you go, check out this super cool site. Now you could direct visitors to another page on your own site here, or you could direct them to a website elsewhere, maybe with an affiliate link. But now when somebody goes to close the page, it says, hey, wait, before you go, check out this super cool site. And of course it's directed them to Google. That's how quick, that's how simple, that's how fast it is to create a redirect on the page. Now just think, how many people on your mailing list know how to do that quickly, that simply, that easily, in terms of not only how to create a squeeze page, but being able to add something like that on. That's the power of AutoBuildIt. So let's close that. Now here's something really unique. If we go on to edit page, you'll see here it says enable view comments from selected page. If we click that and then select a page and we select the thank you page, now this will show any page that has comments on it, it will show that. But if I click this thank you, now this is the thank you page that they would go to after they've subscribed. This is what happens. Now when we view the page URL, look at this at the bottom. It says click here to see what those already signed up are saying right now. That's automatically appeared, and when they click that, look at what they can see. They can see all the comments that people have left on the other side of the squeeze page. which means what? It means that there's immediate social proof and a powerful, powerful reason for people to enter their details to go and watch that information. This is completely unique. You won't have seen this done anywhere in the world. There's nothing like this out there. But now instantly, with just a click of a button, you can add this onto your squeeze pages very, very quickly, very easily. And it's going to allow even absolute newbies to compete and get better results than even some of the gurus out there with this neat little feature. That's how good it is, that's how powerful it is, and that's how easy and simple it is to add with AutoBuildIt. Now, penultimately, another thing that they can do is if they want to change the look and feel of the page, then quite simply all they do is they select another template, click Save, view the page URL, and immediately it's transformed in look and feel to a completely different look and feel without changing the user created text. And of course it's still got the elements that we put onto it. And finally, if they want to create another page, maybe for split testing, maybe for any other reason, that they just want to maybe change the headline and try a different headline or try something different in the body copy, then quite simply all they do is click Create Duplicate, and it says duplicate record added successfully. Important, before making this page active, please remember to rename the page and the URL, because it's called it now Squeeze Page 3. It's automatically added an extension onto it. We might not want to have it as Squeeze Page 3. We might want to have it as something else, but it's automatically created that. Now if we make that active, you'll see it's completely the same as the other page. It's still got the same exact same user created text there, and it's still got all of the features that might have been added to it, like the redirect. That's how quick, that's how simple, that's how easy it is to do. And think about the amount of time that saves. Now this video would have been far shorter if I wasn't explaining the process. Creating this and doing all of these things would have been twice as fast.